So I finally got around to replacing that oilite bushing. I turned down the outer diameter. I think I turned it down to 25.3 millimeters. I don't know why I was working in metric, but it was. I pressed it in using the collet that I had it mounted on in the lathe when I turned down the outside diameter. The inside diameter looks pretty good. You can see where the original gear had been rubbing on this face, this steel here. I don't know, it doesn't really show up right now very well, but sometimes I can see it maybe right there. When it was rocking around, I just left it proud a little bit so that it's steel on bronze. And then here's the new gear. I cleaned that up a little bit. And that's the original inside diameter. I didn't touch that. So this isn't moving around, spins nicely. So I'm gonna leave it there. And then I removed the gear rack and clean that surface up. These screws, when I pulled them out, they smelled nasty. There's like some strange oil behind them. I still have to pull those pins out. Here you can see, see if I can do this, the original teeth here, and here they are, pretty worn in the middle. Yeah, pretty worn.